we learn literature because literature is very important uh, for language communication and can show us lives of others at the time. Literature can be the process, the dialogue. Example, they are they are to other make a simple make simple drama and literature as taught. Literature is literature as taught is all all beauty worlds and organize will appear if according to great thinking. Literature as feeling at the moment, popular and blooming. Literature as expression. Literature is a form of woman expression to to know to know what will the woman share.